Yes, good morning, my beautiful people. Good morning to you all. Well, today, I have to bring to an epic cook up, you know? Bring to an epic cook up. So today, I plan to cook rice and peas and brown toast chicken. Stay tuned for that, you know? Respect a lot, all I a lot. Been supporting my channel over the time since I started YouTube, and I'm grateful for that, you know? A large shout out to Jamaica Vibes Adventure. And I want to give a next shout out to Jamaica Vibes 876. Two different people, guys. Jamaica Vibes Adventure and Jamaica Vibes 876. I want to give a large shout out to those two people, guys. Also, a large shout out to Isle Boss Spearfishing, you know? Respect a lot, bro. I thank you all for supporting my channel and giving me advice. DJ Wicked Vlogs, big up yourself, bro. God Fears Burn, big up yourself. Karen Yard Style, big up yourself. See it here, peeps. Coal fire start catch already. Yes, no man. Yes, no man. I go get the peas washed now and set on the peas, you see? Stay tuned. See the peas here? Now look at anybody one inside there, guys. Real original round red peas. Jonah Lifestyle, big up yourself, bro. Dream Island, big up yourself. Yes, I'm on. Yes, my peeps, today we are look about some red rice and brown stew chicken. Everything we are look about in a coconut juice in a people, so stay tuned, stick and stay for that. Yeah. Put it on it by fire now, peeps. Make it go and stay and boil. Yes, my peeps. Wash off one peg of garlic for putting in peas, guys. Yes, my beautiful people. Get the coconut ox out. So I'm gonna wash it off now. Yes, some peeps. Get my grater wash off like. J Body Baker. Big up yourself, bro. Yes, my people. I'm going to squeeze the corner, you know. She's in love, another says she Yes, my people. I'm gonna add the water here now. You have to change the pan, guys. On the burst. Wash them up back same time, guys. Oh shoot. Yes, my beautiful people. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my chicken. So I'm put it to marinate for about 1 hour until it marinate. I go ahead and set it on the fire. So stay tuned now. I'm gonna clean up my meat, guys. have to make sure you re-clean a chicken. The person you buy it from don't must clean it as how you don't like it. So same time as you cut it up, you can go and take a real look and finish cleaning it up, you know. Clean off them here, guys. Clean out the inside of the meat. We get off them fat here, guys. Make sure you cut up your chicken in all joints, guys. Yeah. Get some people. Meat done cut up already. See there, peeps. See, see all I come off of the chicken there, guys. I'll give puppy it now. Stay tuned when I go catch water for wash it, guys. Yes, people, I'm going to add my season them and our first up, Maggi chicken season. Next up, season to the bone. Next up, jerk season. Next, one more jerk season. We have a paprika. We have the all-purpose. Now we have the onion. We have to wash the onion, guys. We have our garlic. We 1 head of garlic, guys. White garlic. If you want, you can use the purple one. We have our thyme. Wash that thyme. We got here some scallion. Strip your scallion, guys. Now we'll get our scallion wash, guys. Yes, my beautiful people, I have my meat seasoned up. So I'm gonna rub it in now. I have garlic, scallion, onion, thyme, and I also gonna get the pepper washed off and put in there now. Yes guys, here I found a green pepper. This one could go in the rice. And I'm looking to see if I see any red pepper could go in the meat. Yes guys, here's one. Here's one pepper can go in the meat, guys. So I'm gonna get them washed off and put one in the meat and one in the rice. Here's a cup of water. Yes, my beautiful people, I'm gonna cover up the meat now to make it marinate for about 1 hour or until the peas is boiled. Yes, my beautiful people, here I go make my first check on the peas to see how the peas is doing, but that looks like they wanna take some more water though, guys. Yes people, it's coming on but it want a little more water, so I'm gonna go ahead and have 1 cup of water in it. Yes my beautiful people, 1 cup of water to sink the peas. First time when me did the young guys and me hear about sink peas, me think if you just go over the pot and use the spoon and sink them. Yes my people, I wash off the scallion, the thyme to go in the peas, the rice and peas pot, guys. Yes my peeps, catch me a season up there. Catch me a season up me. Put in the scallion and the thyme, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the one put garlic in there already. So I get the 1 spoon of sugar and the butter. Cause the peas boiling now, guys. Peas boiling now, guys. Whoa, look how soft my finger got through, guys. Look at that. Here's our stick butter, guys. We'll go ahead and drop it in. Next up, Next up we are putting with people like coconut juice. Yes, my peeps, we are going ahead and add in coconut milk now. Yes, my peeps, look at that. Look at that. Yes, my beautiful people. I tell you already, add in my coconut milk, my green pepper, my scallion, my thyme, my butter, and I'm going ahead and last thing to add is the sugar, 1 tablespoon sugar, and I'm gonna add a little salt as well. Here I'm going to add the salt now, guys, and stir it around. So I can go ahead now and get my rice washed. You have to make sure your rice wash 2 or 3 times, guys. Or you wash until the water is clearly white. Use my rice now, guys, well washed and clean. Can add in the yes, my beautiful people, I'm gonna go ahead and add like a season up all-purpose Maggi in the rice and peas pot. It's just the only thing that left. Give a little flavor same way, guys, you know? Yes, no, man. J Bud the Baker, Lord, shout out to you, bro. I see you going with some great content over there, you know? Yes, my beautiful people. Sit on the meat pot for going hot, you know, is it? Yes, no, man. Yes, my beautiful people. Add in the meat now. Yes, my people, so next time I see them when them a turn. Yes, my beautiful peeps. This is how I want to get my meat brown. So I can, you have 2 pieces left in the pot, guys. So I can go ahead and add in the rest, put in back them in the pot, and add my coconut milk. That is the coconut milk, guys. Yes, my beautiful peeps, make it to the end of the video, you know. This is the rice and peas and stewed chicken. The chicken stewed down in coconut milk, and this side I have a tall cup of natural jelly water, guys. Yes, no man. I'll show you me I get in it. Yes, my beautiful peeps. Eat bad man, cool rice, nice. So I got to meet good guys.